Cloud computing is like renting instead of owning. Imagine instead of buying and maintaining your own servers and data centers, you could rent computing power and storage from a company like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. That's cloud computing. You access everything you need: servers, storage, databases, software over the internet, just like you stream movies on Netflix. This makes it easier and cheaper for businesses to build and run applications. There are three main types of cloud services. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, provides you with the basic building blocks like virtual servers and storage. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, gives you a platform to develop and run your applications without worrying about managing the underlying infrastructure. Software as a Service, or SaaS, delivers software applications over the internet, such as email or customer relationship management tools. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits. It's scalable, meaning you can easily adjust your resources up or down based on your needs. It's cost-effective because you only pay for what you use. It also provides increased flexibility, allowing you to access your applications and data from anywhere with an internet connection. Think of cloud computing as a giant shared computer system that is always available and ready to handle your computing tasks. It's transforming the way businesses operate and creating exciting opportunities for skilled professionals. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need to deliver software quickly and reliably. This is where DevOps comes in. DevOps is a set of practices and cultural philosophies that bring together software development and IT operations teams to work collaboratively. The goal of DevOps is to automate and streamline the software development and delivery process, from code writing to deployment and monitoring. This results in faster software releases, reduced errors, and improved collaboration between teams. Key DevOps practices include continuous integration and continuous delivery, often referred to as CI/CD, infrastructure as code and automation. CI/CD involves merging code changes into a central repository, frequently and automatically testing and deploying them to production. Infrastructure as code enables managing and provisioning infrastructure through code, making it repeatable and scalable. Automation is used throughout the DevOps lifecycle to eliminate manual tasks and reduce errors. By embracing DevOps principles, organizations can achieve faster time to market, improve software quality, and increase customer satisfaction. Cloud computing and DevOps are like two peas in a pod. They complement each other perfectly and are essential for modern software development. Cloud platforms provide the ideal infrastructure for implementing DevOps practices. The scalability and flexibility of the cloud enable teams to easily provision and manage resources for development, testing, and deployment. Cloud providers offer various DevOps tools and services that automate and streamline the software development lifecycle. DevOps, in turn, helps organizations maximize the benefits of cloud computing. By automating infrastructure management and application deployment, DevOps enables businesses to fully leverage the agility and cost-effectiveness of the cloud. The combination of cloud and DevOps empowers organizations to deliver high-quality software at a faster pace, adapt to changing market demands, and stay ahead of the competition. Section 4. Riding the wave of cloud and DevOps careers. The demand for cloud and DevOps skills is skyrocketing. As more and more businesses embrace cloud computing and DevOps practices, the need for skilled professionals who can build, deploy, and manage applications in this environment is growing rapidly. Cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, cloud architects, and site reliability engineers are just a few examples of the high-paying and in-demand roles in this field. These professionals are responsible for designing, implementing, and managing cloud infrastructure, automating software delivery pipelines, and ensuring the reliability and performance of applications. This growing demand translates into excellent career opportunities and competitive salaries for individuals with the right skills and experience. Section 5. Your roadmap to cloud and DevOps success. Embarking on a journey in cloud computing and DevOps might seem daunting at first, but with a structured approach and dedication, you can acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Start by building a strong foundation in cloud concepts and technologies. Familiarize yourself with different cloud providers, service models, and basic networking and security principles. Explore online courses and tutorials offered by platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud platforms. Next, dive into DevOps principles and practices. Learn about CI/CD, infrastructure as code, automation tools, and version control systems like Git. Gain hands-on experience by setting up your own CI/CD pipelines and experimenting with different DevOps tools. Consider pursuing industry-recognized certifications to validate your skills and enhance your credibility. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Microsoft Azure Solutions Architect, and Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect are highly regarded certifications in the cloud domain. For DevOps, consider certifications like Docker Certified Associate, Kubernetes Certified Administrator, and AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. Section 6. Embrace the future of technology. Mastering cloud computing and DevOps skills can open doors to a world of opportunities. These skills are in high demand, offer excellent earning potential, and empower you to shape the future of technology. By embracing these transformative technologies, you'll be at the forefront of innovation, driving efficiency, and delivering exceptional software experiences. Embrace the challenge, invest in your learning, and unlock your potential in the exciting world of cloud and DevOps.